Hey, kids, have you heard about the new Post cereal? It's called Beep Beep. That's the name of it. Beep Beep. Beep Beep is an unusual name for a cereal. Post named Beep Beep after the Roadrunner. Beep Beep is so good it makes you feel as frisky as the Roadrunner. Beep Beep. Beep Beep is a crisp corn cereal with brown sugar and honey. Beep Beep is honeyed up for energy, sugared up for go. You can snack Beep Beep or splash on milk and eat Beep Beep out of a bowl. New Post Beep Beep. There's never been a cereal like Beep Beep. Beep Beep is honeyed up for energy. Beep Beep is sugared up for go. New Post Beep Beep, the Roadrunner cereal. Say Beep Beep in the morning. Have Beep Beep for breakfast. You can be a Roadrunner too. Beep Beep.